Hi everybody, it's Walter and Sharon again from the YouTube channel, and kind of
Wait,
got.
it's Sharon and Walter.
You're right.
Go ahead.
You ready?
Yes.
Now you got me laughing. Hi. Okay. Hi everybody. Okay, it's Walter from Sharon and Walter YouTube channel, and we got something kind of cool today. We got these new filters for the furnace, and the company is called Colorfil, and they got this cool little brochure, and it's colorfil.com. They're made in America, at least our filters are. And cool little thing about them is they're made specially. This pink filter material is actually made for odor control. It's a NASA product, and made special, and they've actually added it to household filters. So it's kind of like a pet related product, but actually it's great for your house. But it's mainly for ammonia smell. So we have cats, and sometimes it's obvious we have cats. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. I got a recommendation from a friend that does cat rescue. He says it's awesome. They got this nice little pamphlet right here that kind of gives you a little, like a little blurb about it. And what's kind of cool about it for me is, as you can tell, it's pink right now, but as it draws in odors, it changes color. So it's going to tell you when it gets to yellow that it's wore out. So that's kind of a cool thing. So it's a nice bright pink color. And they give you a little chart to tell you, 75% salmon, orange is 50%. Obviously, they say from anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. We're going to find out. We've got two. Yeah, so it's not a fragrance filter. It's not it's not covering the smell. It's actually eliminating it, which I kind of like. So, oh, and it's a naturally derived product. That's the other cool thing. So it's not a weird chemical. It's actually like citric acid. So non-toxic, safe for animals. Obviously, it's hopefully not going to get too much into the air to poison us. So yeah, nice and safe. I'm pretty excited about it anyway. And they donate to animal too. So a little bit of the profits go back into animal rescue. I believe they're out of Chicago. So, and then I thought this was neat. They gave you a little like a little magnet and a little pen, so you can put the date down. We always forget. I change and forget all the time. So that's kind of neat. We'll actually probably do that if we do that correctly. Okay, so let's see. Let's cut this one out. So we got two. You can do like I think you can do a monthly order, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you do a monthly order or something, or 6 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
They give you a discount, I think, right?
They do. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I kind of just went through there, and we're not going to film us. It's really hard to see back in there, so, and of course, like every filter change out, it's always so convoluted. I don't know why they don't put filters where they make it easy, but they don't. So, anyway, we'll pull that baby out.
All right, let's look at it up close.
Yeah. Airflow arrow. So I'm going to put it down so the air's going to go pull through here, come out the other side. Yeah, bright and pink. So we'll see how long it lasts. We'll date it, and then we use 16 by 25. They make all kinds of sizes. They also make thicker ones. We debate about it.
They were, you had the option of 1 inch or 4 or 5 inch thick.
Yeah, so, and we're ones, but I don't know why we don't use thicker ones, but I don't know. I'll have to think on that. Anyway, I'm going to dive back in here. It just takes about 30 seconds to a minute once you're ready.
Go.
Alright, so pretty easy to change out. Just go watch your head and stuff. So this is a real 3M purple filter. There's a rating on it. That's important. And that's 9 SEER. I think you can get one better, but anyway. Okay, it's Honeywell, but yeah. We get them at Home Depot. So, and you can tell, I just changed this a month ago. It's pretty packed,
Yeah,
obviously.
We have 5 cats and 2 dogs, so there's a lot of pet hair in the air.
Yeah. And this was the one I took out, and this one I went too long, obviously. You look over here.
Yeah, you can see this one's way worse.
Yeah, so way too long.
Yeah.
And we got an old dusty house too. We're in the basement right now, so and it's dusty and all that. So all right, we're gonna see what happens. So we're pretty excited. So the big thing with these filters is not down. Yeah, so odor control. We're gonna find out. We'll see what happens.